In this video, I'm going to show you how to unlock and equip a new hero skill slot in Task Force Hero so you can use 2 skills on your skill bar. Right now, both my hero skill slots are already open, and in this guide, I'll show you exactly how you can unlock it too. First, head over to the rune section in the game menu. Here you need to purchase the Rune of Awakening. But before that, make sure you buy all the required basic runes leading up to it. Keep in mind the Rune of Awakening costs around 150,000 gold, so you'll need to save up a lot before you can unlock it. Once you've purchased it, go back and select the hero you want to upgrade and add an extra skill slot to. Now open the status tab for the hero and choose the skill you want to assign to the second kill slot. Finally, place the selected skill into the empty slot and confirm the equip. And that's it. You have now 2 active skill slots in the Task Force Hero, allowing you to use more powerful combos in the battle. That's all for this video. If this helped you, don't forget to subscribe to Lock-in Giants for more guides like this.